to make money on YouTube, but I don't want to make videos. What do I do?
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Too late, can you tell me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
What's good YouTube, your boy here Mashlati, you call me Dollar Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. In today's video I will be showing you how you can make money on YouTube without actually making videos. If you want to make money online, there are two things you have to do. First being, check out this playlist which I made just for you to go and make money online. And the second thing you have to do is this is what you have to do: subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So you've created a channel, verified your channel, made a pretty good looking logo and a channel banner. If you haven't done any of these, go do that and come back to this video.
2 hours later.
I'm assuming that you have made these.
Made a pretty good looking logo and a channel banner.
I make channel logos and banners each at $9, but if you order both, then you get a discount. This is how the price ranges. DM me on Instagram if you would like me to make a channel logo or banner for you, right here or right here, between the two, but it's somewhere here. So now your channel is set up, everything's good to go. Now YouTube is just waiting for you to post videos, but you don't have any videos. What do? Let's go by this step-by-step tutorial. And step one is find a niche. As you can see, it says find a niche. Even though you're not going to be making videos, you still need to have a niche. And you probably asking yourself, what is a niche? A niche is an area of marketing which has its own particular requirements, customers and products. So you have to choose a specific niche which your channel will be known for, whether it's money, whether it's vlogs. And when choosing your niche, it's important that you go through the niches which you really want to go for, because the way YouTube pays you differs from niche to niche. So if you have a vlog channel and a money channel, the vlog channel can make more money than a money channel, or money channel can make more than a vlog channel. So just go and research which niches are profitable, because you are here for the money, right? So now you have chosen your niche. Step two is getting your videos. So you don't want to make videos, right? Go in the YouTube search bar. Yes, I did say YouTube search bar.
I am the one, the way you're trying to...
And go there and search any video which you find in your niche. Now you have searched for the video, there's a couple of videos. Step 3, don't get copyrighted. So you know that YouTube does copyright people when they steal other people's video, but there is a legal way of stealing people's videos. I know that sounds dumb, but yeah, after searching for videos in your niche, all you got to do is go there to filters and choose Creative Commons. Creative Commons attribution license is a license that is given to you by a creator that states that anyone can use this video again. You don't want to go for a standard YouTube license, because this is where you get copyrighted, because the owner didn't give you permission to post that video on your channel. So you have to look for Creative Commons attribution license videos so that you can post them over on your channel. So after choosing the type of content that you want to put on your channel, you have two options. Option 1 being taking your videos, uploading them to your channel and nothing changes. And you've got option 2. Option 2 is taking multiple videos, editing them into one cool video, then uploading the video. I would personally take option 2, which will make my content look a bit more professional. And we've got step number 4. Step number 4 is monetizing your content. Now you're probably there saying,
Dollar Influencer, how can I monetize my content if I don't reach the minimum requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours?
Well, I've got a plan for you. I made a video on how to make money on YouTube if you're not monetized. And we got step number 5. Step number 5 is consistency. Consistency is important. Even if you are not uploading any videos of yourself, you're still uploading other people's videos. So consistency is key. So try and upload 2 to 5 times in a week so that you get unique viewers. And unique viewers, which means YouTube is going to take your content and suggest it to other people's video. And one thing that YouTube loves is consistency. So if you are consistent, you are on the good side of YouTube rather than the bad side of YouTube, which is people posting every 3 months. So just make sure that you are consistent and give your viewers valuable information or entertainment. So those are the 5 steps of creating a successful channel without actually making videos. But I've got a bonus tip for you. Thumbnails are key. If you don't know what the thumbnail is, it's the picture that you see before a viewer clicks into the video. So make sure that your thumbnails are eye attracting and just don't put too many words in your thumbnail. So now that you have made your videos, you want to make money. Our main income stream from YouTube is ad revenue. The extra revenue that we will be making is from affiliate links, and you might not call it extra because we're not really getting any money from YouTube ad revenue. So that is our main income stream for now until we get monetized. To make affiliate links, you're going to need a company which you will be an affiliate for. The most known affiliate program is Amazon Associates. There is a whole lot of ways that you can make money from YouTube even if you're not monetized. I go deep down into everything in this video, so make sure to check this video out. But once you have monetized your channel, you can put ads on your videos and make money. In the next video, I will be showing you how you guys can benefit from this quarantine. So make sure to turn on post notifications and of course subscribe to content post notifications if you haven't subscribed. My name is Mahlati, y'all call me Dollar Influencer. I'm out.